How to open Charles Schwab investment account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser, and then in the search bar simply search for schwab.com. Once you search for it, you'll land in this kind of interface. From here, you want to decide what type of account suits best your needs, such as brokerage accounts, IRA, or other specialized account. If you're unsure, Charles Schwab offers resources to help you determine the right account type. After you have chosen the account, you want to go ahead and gather your required information. The information may include personal information such as your name, date of birth, address, SSN number, and then your contact information. Next, you will need to have your government issue ID such as password, as it is often required. You will also need a recent utility bill or other document confirming your address is usually needed. And also details about your employment status and occupation may be requested. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on continue and then follow the on-screen instruction. Once your account is established, you will need to deposit funds to start investing. Schwab provides funding instructions and option for transferring money into your account. Also note that there are no fees to open or maintain a Schwab brokerage account. Online listed equity trades are commission-free, but other fees, fund expenses, and brokerage commission may apply, so be sure to review the fee schedule. Also, if you're opening an international account or are a non-US resident, there are specific steps and requirements to follow. After submitting your application, it may take a few days for your account to be verified and approved. Schwab offers educational resources, tools, and support to help you get started with investing. And that's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.